Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, so I'm continuing with my Easter dinner, okay, for you. Your Easter dinner for you. So I already cooked sweet and sour ham. You should go over and check that video. It aired on March 30th. March 30th. And then I cooked for you marshmallow candy yams. Please check that out. That will air March 31st. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to make some broccoli, carrots, and cheese. So we're going to start on the oven. We're going to start on top of the stove, and we're going to end up in the air fryer. Okay? Alright, this is a quickie, so don't leave me. Let's do it, okay? Please give it a thumbs up. You can do that now. Share the video and subscribe. You're supposed to be sharing these videos, if you like, to your family and friends so that they can get prepared for their Easter dinner. Okay? It's a gift from you. Why not? Okay, let's do it. Okay, so we're going to start off with, I want to make sure the camera's on. Yep. We're going to start off with 3 sticks of butter. I'm going to put that in, let that melt down. So I cut up most of this already, but I wanted to show you how to cut it up. Okay, let me turn the camera to me for a minute. There we go. Okay. So after you cut off the bottom hard part, okay, then you're going to end up with big buds like this. Just cut them in half and see if that's the size you like, okay? I think that that's fine. Alright, so I have a few more pieces to cut up because I wanted to show you that. I try not to have the stems too long. And by the way, you can save this pot if you ever want to make cream of broccoli soup. Maybe I'll show you how to do that one day. Okay, so that you don't have to throw that away. Okay, so our butter is melting. Now I'm going to just rinse this off. Okay, let's drop it in. And this was 3 heads of broccoli. 3 heads. So I have some garlic here. Why don't we make it with some garlic? Give a little flavor to it, right? I'm putting that garlic right in the middle so it can melt down. And now we're going to add our carrots, you know, to bring a little color. Look at that. Wow, there we go. Okay, I want to add some onion powder, granulated onion I should say. Okay, and some black pepper here. Okay. Okay, I'm going to add about an ounce of water so that we can make steam. And I want to cover this so the steam can lock in. Oh wow, can you see? I want to make sure you can see really well. That's a little better. Okay, I'm just gonna act like it's stir fry. Now you know you don't cook broccoli long. You don't cook it where it's turning gray. You want to still have a bright green color and a crunch to it. Okay, why don't I give you the word of the day? The word of the day. The word of the day is respect. It takes very little to show respect. All you got to do is think about yourself. Think about you don't want to hurt nobody else's feelings, that you want to meet the person wherever they are in life. Respect, okay? And if you respect others, hopefully you'll get respect back. But let's say someone disrespect you. That doesn't mean that you go around with a grudge or mean heart and disrespect others. Because remember, at the end of it all, you got to answer to you when you lay down and you think back on that day. Respect. Start respecting yourself first and others next. That's all you have to do. Okay, respect. Thanks. Okay. So the broccoli was $2 for the 3 bunches, the 3 heads, and the carrots was $1.29 for the bag, and you see I only used half of the bag. So we'll call the carrots, I don't know, 70 cents. So we're under $3 right now. And then I have 2 bags of Mexican blend cheese, and we're gonna call this because I bought a bag that was $7, and I ended up making 8 bags out of the $7 bag. So I'm gonna call this around $3. So under $6 we're gonna have a nice vegetable dish. Okay, that's all we have to cook the broccoli. Look at that. I'm talking literally what? A few minutes? Under 5 minutes for sure. Yes, and you can still feel the stem, and it's got the firmness to it. That's what you want. Because remember, it still has to cook a little more in the air fryer. If you don't have an air fryer, just put the broccoli in a pan just like I'm going to do. And you're going to put it in the oven on 400 until the cheese melts. I'm putting a little oil in the bottom of this pan so that it helps with the cleanup. And I'm just taking a paper towel and rubbing around the pan, all around the edges and everywhere. Okay. Now we're going to put the broccoli and carrots in the pan. You see that? Okay. Now we're gonna put the cheese on. The Mexican blend cheese, or any kind of cheese you have is fine, whatever kind you like. I just buy Mexican blend because there's 4 cheese in one. That way I don't have to buy a bunch of different kinds of cheese. Okay, I think we're good. I only used 1 bag, guys. I didn't even need 2. Okay. Okay, I'm going to put the pan in. Got to figure out which way it's going in. Okay. Here we go. So we're going to turn it on. We're going to do 370 because we can do a high temperature because we're not going to have it in there long. We're just melting the cheese. That's all we're doing. I'm going to set that on 4 minutes and see what happens after 4 minutes. Okay? Okay. Broccoli is really an inexpensive vegetable to cook, and it gives you your green vegetable that you need. Something that you might want to think about. But I like broccoli. Turn a light on so I can see. Oh yeah, it's melting already. It may not even take 4 minutes, guys. So I hope you guys are gonna have a wonderful Easter. Remember, happy Easter from Grandma Ray. Make sure the kids get some candy. I don't know if the adults want some candy, but definitely the kids. I might even cheat and have a piece or 2. Why not? It's Easter, right? Yeah, that'd be a good thing. Okay, our cheese is definitely melting, guys. I can see it. And it's only been a minute. That's why I like the air fryer. Quick, quick. It's so quick. So some other suggestions that you could do for Easter for your vegetables, you can have some greens or cabbage or cauliflower. Lots of options, right? Some corn on the cob would be nice. Kids would like that. Okay, it's 2 minutes we've been cooking. Comment and let me know how many of you guys use an air fryer. I'm just curious. You know, I have, I would say, maybe over 200 air fryer videos. So if you are interested in some recipes for the air fryer, I have you right on Grandma Ray Don't Play. You know that. Grandma Ray Don't Play got you. Oh, this is looking so good, guys. Definitely. Oh, we have 1 minute left. See that? I see the off light. The word off is there, so it's going to shut off. Okay. Oh, wow. Look at that, guys. See? Oh, my. Wow. Oh, will you just look at that? That's what I'm talking about. Okay, let me taste a piece for you. Okay, let's take a taste with this is broccoli, garlic, broccoli, and cheese. How about that? With carrots. Mmm. Very good. I taste the garlic. The broccoli has a nice crunch to it. I'm going to get my fiber from there. Vitamin C. Awesome, awesome. Bring that to your Easter table, would you? All right, love you, bye.